हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च करो फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ इस वीक की कुछ ऐसी जॉब जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। जो कि तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं और यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एनी जॉब चेंज इन दिस फील्ड और यू आर लुकिंग टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ डेटा एनालिस्ट इंटर्न, देन यू शुड चेक द एंटायर वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया दीज कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे, सभी जॉब्स अंडर 24 आवर्स पब्लिश हुई हैं, सो ट्राई टू फिल द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। वीडियो में हम आगे देखेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And time to time आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, Instagram पेज के थ्रू, Facebook पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। And I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting people for different skills like Power BI developer, data analytics, data scientist, or business analytics. So in future, if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to data science domain, business analytics, data analytics, Power BI developer, or full stack developer role, then subscribe this channel, follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. Before heading to the laptop screen, just wanted to make two announcements. एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज मैंने Instagram पे ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर दी है, तो अगर आप अभी तक इससे नहीं जुड़े हैं और इफ यू हैव नॉट फॉलोड दिस चैनल, डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। Or second, I've got many requests recently to prepare a complete video, a comprehensive video on Data Analyst Roadmap 2024. So basically, this platform of YouTube channel, I try to cascade the latest jobs available in the market to my audience so that you won't miss out any opportunity related to, because eventually the goal is to get the job, right? But if you're looking for a comprehensive guide of Data Analyst 2024, I've written a comprehensive blog on my website www.callcentertalks.com. I'll drop the link over in the description box, so do check out the description box. अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, तो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स।
फ्रेंड्स, आगे हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे, और जिसकी आपने ऑलरेडी थंबनेल में चेक कर लिया होगा, आज की जो वीडियो है दैट इज अबाउट डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो अगर आप एज अ फ्रेशर जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, या एज एन एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, या फिर एज एन इंटर्नशिप जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट इंस्टाग्राम पेज विच इज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली जॉब अपडेट्स एंड अलॉन्ग विद द एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स, एंड माय वेबसाइट callcentertalks.com, जहाँ पे आप विजिट कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन हैव डेली न्यूज एंड ब्लॉग्स अबाउट डेटा साइंस डोमेन। सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो both the channels. अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब पीस की तरफ। So the first company in the list is ZENATIX, hiring for data analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, location is in Gurgaon, salary 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, education bachelor's, master's engineering degree from a premier institute. And if I talk about the role column, customer strategy, define roadmap for customer engagement and value delivery through existing and new use cases. Customer satisfaction, define and track KPIs for customer satisfaction. Further data analytics, analyze clients' data to draw insights and prepare business cases and report on regular basis. And if I talk about the growth opportunities, identify opportunities to expand scope of the product, assess benefit in terms of ROI and other aspects for the customers, and engage sales team with the process. And create dashboards, reports, or presentations to summarize large amounts of data into for customers. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job. And if I talk about the technical skills, what you need to have: worked with data visualization and BI tools like Power BI, Tableau. Basic knowledge on Python would be a plus. Well versed in using MS Excel, able to create presentations. Capability and desire to work in dynamic and fast paced with minimal direction. So these are some required skills. So basically, if you have experience in Power BI, not experience, but if you have good knowledge of Power BI, Tableau, or Python, and if you are well versed with Excel, MS Excel, then you can apply for the job post. And if you are interested for the job post, this link is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job, which is for the company name ANTINO Labs, hiring for data analyst, experience 1 to 4 years, location is in Gurgaon, salary they are offering 5 to 9 lakhs per annum, and experience they are looking for 1 to 4 years, and education they are looking for bachelor's, master degree in technical or business discipline. Let's talk about the roles and responsibilities. Analyze and organize raw data, maintain and update database and ETL scripts, strategize data warehousing process, review data collection from different sources to query integrity of data, data visualization and reporting for easy consumption of BI stakeholders, and maintain documentation of BI process dashboards and metrics. And if I talk about the technical skills, what you need to have is demonstrate proficiency in writing complex SQL queries, experience in monitoring and improving data read performance, SQL, MongoDB, Excel, JSON, and web APIs, proficiency in ETL tools such as SSIS, Python, and strong skills in data modeling and schema design. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for. And if you find yourself fit for this job post, then you can apply by clicking on this link, which is available in the description box. Let's move to the third job, which is for the company name WEIR Group, hiring for junior data scientist or data analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, location is in Bangalore, salary 5 to 6 lakhs per annum, and education bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. Now let's talk about the role. Perform data collection, cleaning, processing, and analysis using various tools and techniques. Apply statistical and machine learning methods to extract insights and generate reports and dashboards. Develop, test, and deploy data solution and applications using Python, SQL, and other programming languages. And research and learn new data technologies and best practices. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if I talk about the technical skills, these are proficient in Python, SQL, and other programming languages for data analysis and manipulation. Familiarity with cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Familiarity with common data science libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, PyTorch, and excellent communication and presentation skills, both verbal and written, and ability to work independently and in a team environment. So these are some technical skills, and if you have completed any Python course or any data science course, then you should definitely apply for the job post. And if you're interested for the job post, you can find this link in the description box. Let's move to the fourth job, which is for the company name AURIGO. This company is offering you the remote job opportunity. So if you are looking for any data analyst role and if you have experience of minimum 2 years, then you can apply for the job post. Education, bachelor's degree in computer science, maths, or stats. Roles and responsibilities: you'll work on a variety of projects in a highly collaborative, fast-paced environment. Further, you'll be responsible for analyzing the data and gathering insights to solve real-world customer problems. And you'll be working on enhancing or award-winning flagship product size AURIGO Masterbox. So these are some roles and responsibilities this company is looking for. And if I talk about the technical skills, proficiency in data manipulation and analysis using tools such as SQL, Python, knowledge of stats analysis techniques, familiarity with machine learning concepts, strong analytical and problem solving skills with a keen attention to details, experience with data warehousing and ETL processes, basic knowledge in building machine learning models and taking them to deployment. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click this link, which is available in the description box. The fifth company in the list is Acrylex, hiring for data analyst intern, experience 0 to 2 years, location is in Pune, and education any graduation or masters, and salary 2 to 3 lakhs per annum. And what you need to do is working with product teams to understand, collaborate, and deliver requirements and user stories that solve customer problems. Manipulate, transform, and analyze data sets that are larger and complex. Incorporate, integrate, and interface technical knowledge with business or system requirements. And further, data collection, data input, monitoring, maintain, and reporting. So these are some basic roles and responsibilities as a data analyst. And if I talk about the technical skills this company is looking for: graduate, masters 2023-24 pass out, good communication and interpersonal skills, verbal and written. Knowledge of Python would be a plus but not mandate. Must have good knowledge of MS Excel, and immediate joiners prefer work from office. This job would be. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click this link, which is available in the description box. Next company in the list is CRISIL, hiring for data analyst, experience 2 to 4 years, location is in Mumbai, education bachelor's degree preferably in economics, maths, or stats, and salary they are offering 2 to 4 lakhs per annum. And if I talk about the roles and responsibilities, what you need to do is ensure articles are grammatically accurate, adhere to house style, and meet published standards. Highlights insights through refining key messages, topic sentences, headlines. Pay strong attention to detail and process to ensure error-free articles under tight deadlines, and conceptualize graphics for data visualization and infographics. Further, support global team across multiple regions, APAC, EMEA, NA, or LATAM, and curiosity and proactiveness to try and learn new things. So these are some common roles and responsibilities. And if I talk about the technical skills what this company is looking for, you should have good proficiency in Excel, SQL, or statistical software, strong analytical and communication skills, excellent written and verbal English skills, minimum 2 to 3 years financial editing experience, preferably with a financial information provider or finance related newsroom. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. The seventh company in the list is Intel, hiring for data analyst, experience 2+ years, locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's of computer information system, engineering on equivalent. You can just pause the video and you can just go through with the roles and responsibilities column. I'll directly jump to required skills. So this company is looking for a strong analytical and problem solving skills, strong knowledge in SharePoint, work management, design workflow, highly oriented, motivated, self-directed and possess a cohesive team attitude, knowledge of Excel, SQL and ability to connect to a variety of data sources. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for, and if you are interested for the job post, you can find this link which is available in the description box.
फ्रेंड, जैसे कि हमने देखा कि जो जो जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं मार्केट में, उन सभी जॉब्स के क्या क्या टेक्निकल स्किल्स हैं। बेसिकली पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई एंड टैब्ल्यू और थोड़ी बहुत मशीन लर्निंग मॉडल्स अगर आप जानते हैं हाउ टू प्रिपेयर दीज मॉडल्स, देन यू आर गुड टू गो फॉर दीज जॉब्स। एंड वन मोर रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको अभी तक कंटेंट पसंद आया है और अगर आपको ओवरऑल कंटेंट पसंद आता है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल का, मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज का, देन डू लाइक इट, शेयर दिस वीडियो एज मच एज यू कैन, बिकॉज आपका एक लाइक कीप्स मी मोटिवेटेड टू प्रिपेयर न्यू वीडियोज, राइट न्यू ब्लॉग एंड पोस्ट न्यू जॉब्स ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.